Okay, so this is me completely raw. Let's begin. I'm going to start with vitamin C or any antioxidant. I'm using SUGANDA antioxidant serum. I really like this brand in general. I have been trying to find more cruelty free brands with like actually good ingredients and good reviews. I'm not an expert or an esthetician or anything like that, but it hasn't broke me out or anything, and sometimes I can be little sensitive to vitamin C. So that's why I like this one. Next I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using AYURVEDA ELADI hydrating face cream and really massaging that into my skin. If you want your skin to remain healthy and youthful, don't skip the sunscreen. I have been using DEYGA one and I really love, and I just love how lightweight it feels on the skin and makeup glides on really smoothly over this. I'm using dabbing motion and blending the sunscreen all over my skin. My lips feel super chapped these days and I don't know why, but I'm just loading my lips with some BOROLINE. Tell me if you guys do this too. So if you are in a rush, you can just skip foundation like I do for my everyday makeup. I'm just gonna focus on concealing my acne scars and even any discoloration that I have, mainly under my eye area and also around my nose, my mouth area. I also like to spot correct, but nothing over the top. I like it to, still look natural. So I'm using a medium coverage concealer like this one, but if you like full coverage look even for like an everyday makeup, you can just swap this product for a full coverage concealer like provisional concealer, or Alical Pro HD concealer is full coverage too. I just want my skin to look like skin and look extremely natural, so I'm using this one, but you do you. I'm using a damp pack cosmetic blender to blend this all out. Okay, so personally I really tend to look tired by end of the day, so I take a light concealer. I'm just gonna apply a like big dot under my eyes below the crease area and just blend that out. I'm going to do one side first and then the other cause this concealer dries faster. This really helps me look more fresh, especially because I have deep set eyes, but this just brightens up my under eyes and I look so much more better even after hours and hours of wearing this. And then I'm gonna use a cream highlighter. This one is Sugar Cosmetic Fast Forward Range. So I'm just gonna blend that out in the highest points of my face. So I personally stay away from powder highlighters or powder products as much as possible, like for an everyday look, because I want the look to be really natural and I avoid too much of shimmer on my face. So this just gives me that natural glow from like getting more like a glassy look without any shimmer. So this is like my go-to product. Next is just to give me some shape and color. I'm gonna bronze up my skin and I like using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I think it just goes so smoothly and not patchy no matter how much you apply it. But as you can see, we're not going overboard with any of the product we're using today. We're going for minimal amount just to keep it really natural. So this is what it looks like up till now. You can still see some of my skin peeking through the makeup. I'm gonna take some bronzer and blending brush. I'm just going to blend that on the outer corner of my eyelids and also into my crease. And that's just gonna help me add some dimension to my eye shape. Also, imagine that your lower lash line was extended outwards to take that as a guideline and make sure that your eyeshadow doesn't pass it. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. Your lashes make such a big difference, and I think curling should be part of everyday's makeup routine for sure. I'm gonna be adding few coats of mascara just to my upper lashes, and this one is from Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. So I take some extra time and really work that product into my outer bit of my lashes. So I pull the lashes outwards, and I feel that it gives an instant lift to my eyes. So I haven't been wearing mascara on my lower lashes for like an everyday natural look, but you can go ahead and add few coats of mascara even to your lower lashes, whatever sounds pleasing to you. Wearing this lipstick a lot lately, and this is the SHEAR from MAC, the creamy version, not the matte. I have just been wearing it in a very different way. So I take some and dab it on my lip, and I blend it out with my finger within my lip line, and then I add some more product just in the center of my lips, and then I blend that on my lip line, creating like a faded lip look. I think I've been wearing a lot of lipsticks like this for like my everyday look. So basically I like wearing lipstick as a tint. I'm gonna add a dot on my cheek as well. So I use my fingers or damp beauty blender to blend it out, and I blend this on my upper portion of my cheeks. Just imagine if you were to get a sunburn, you would get it on the upper part of your cheek, right? That's exactly where I like getting the blusher, and I take that into my nose area as well and just blend it on my nose too. Next, I'm taking Maybelline New York gel liner, and I'm just lining my upper waterline with it. I use back of my brush for this. I'm very scared of poking myself in the eyes. What do you guys do for this? Let me know. You can also use kajal pencil for this if that's something more easier to you. Just make sure that it doesn't smudge into your lower lash line. And then I'm going to use the same highlighter from before with the pencil brush. I'm just going to blend that in the inner corners of my eyes, and that's the only place I like adding some shimmer, because that's instantly going to make me look much more awake and fresh. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I personally am absolutely in love with rosy tones as my everyday makeup look. I just feel like that it makes my teeth and my eyes look so much more brighter. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but I'm telling you, I look so much more fresh with these rosy tones, and I absolutely am in love with it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button notification. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.